my dear love. I am just a poor man, that's why I let you go. I only wish for you to live with a calm and gentle heart, to become someone whose life holds no sorrow. Go in peace, my dear. Our fate never reached its time. We could not share the same life together, helping each other rise so others would admire us. Let us remain apart, so our hearts will no longer be burdened. Go live the life your heart desires. Don't become someone others look down on. If you ever hear this song, keep it in your heart. Let this be the ending of our story in this lifetime. I asked you to wait, but you ignored my words, living to the very edge with no place to belong. I told you to listen, but you never raised your head. A life that never ends, how can one continue like this? Desires. Don't become someone others look down on. If you ever hear this song, keep it in your heart. Let this be the ending of our story in this lifetime. I asked you to wait, but you ignored my words, living to the very edge with no place to belong. I told you to listen, but you never raised your head. A life that never ends, how can one continue like this?